Hello, and welcome to the Woods Sports Gaming channel. We look to continue to expand our content. We have already got a 2 Madden franchise modes with our New Orleans Saints. Donald Trump created as the owner has took Saints into a new stadium and look to improve on a playoff average in year 1.
Eastern League.
We also have our Caleb Williams franchise where David Woods, become the head coach and try to lead the Bears to a Super Bowl.
The next to hit.
We have launched soccer and hockey franchise modes as well. The Iowa Saints in soccer and the Iowa Thunderbirds, our NHL hockey team. And now, we look to bring you WWE and Road to the Show content. And around the corner, you can see an Indiana Fever Caitlin Clark rebuild.
Runner at first,
so let's hop into this Road to Show mode with David Woods, the first baseman from Iowa. Welcome to Woods Sports Gaming. Our channel features gameplay, reviews, and commentary on top sports games like Madden, FC, MLB The Show, NHL, WWE 2000, and NBA 2000. Our goal is to provide engaging and informative content for sports and gaming fans alike. Copyright disclaimer. All gameplay footage and content on Woods Sports Gaming are used under fair use guidelines.
And he swings and lofts one to deep center.
Of the US
that one's carrying.
Our
Snags it on the warning track.
Review, and commentary purposes to inform and entertain viewers, while we feature gameplay from games produced by EA Sports, San Diego Studio, and 2000 Games. We do not claim ownership of any of the material used. All rights are reserved by the respective game publishers. For any inquiries or concerns, please contact us at the Woods Truth Network at gmail.com.
Here's the 0-1 pitch. Line drive for a base hit. Runner aboard on the leadoff single. All over that one. That thing would have been right at home on the Autobahn. 113 miles per hour of exit velocity. Tough to make a play on hits like that. The designated hitter digs in now. Tying run is at first. Top half of the 4th. Throw over to the bag. Woods back in on a dive. Runner on the go. Liner caught at second. Now a throw to first. Runner won't get back in time. It's a double play.
Leading off, the first baseman, David Woods.
In the air to right, pretty deep. The right fielder has a beat on it. Out number 1 on the grab. Almost got the inning started with a bang on that fastball. I'm sure he wishes he could have put that over the wall. Next to hit, the third baseman, number 70. Definitely wants to avoid hitting an easy bouncer here. A grounder in the infield should be an inning-ending double play. Now the payoff pitch. Ground ball, could be 2. Flips to second. We're back here at the ballpark. And here's the first baseman, David Woods.
The first baseman, David Woods.
Right here, one time.
Huge swing, and this one sails out of here to right field. That one felt good. Third home run of the season. It's 3-1. No quit in this team at all. They're still fighting. That swing had the right launch angle to make a difference, and they're back within shouting distance now with momentum on their side. Woods did well in the losing effort. Had a pair of hits, one of them a homer. Strong individual day despite the team losing, and he can feel really good about that.
Stands our final line score. First for the victorious Fighting Phils. 3 runs on 7. No errors. They left.
Next to hit, David Woods.
The first baseman, David Woods.
Hey, come on now. One time, right here.
Ripped on the ground to second. Whips it to first. There in plenty of time, ends the inning. End of a half inning of play, no score. Runner at first with one gone. The left fielder will hit next. Alexander, 6'2" righty. He throws a sinker, a slider, a changeup, and he works in a four-seamer. 0-0 here in the bottom of the second. On the ground, could be 2. There's 1. Not in time at first, it's a fielder's choice.
Batting 7. Not shortstop.
That's a hard but legal slide into second base we just saw. That did enough to force an inaccurate throw and disrupt the double play.
Leading off, the first baseman, David Woods.
And that's a base hit. Off to a good start with the leadoff knock.
The batter, the designated hitter.
The designated hitter now at the plate. In the air out to right. The right fielder settles under it. Makes the catch for the out.
Now batting, the right fielder.
Go ahead run on base. And now Dalton Guthrie.
Hey, you can do it, kid. No one better up there. Let's go.
0-2 now. Back and a miss. That's a strikeout. 2 away and a runner at first.
Now batting.
And here's the catcher, Mark Colesbury.
Mark Colesbury.
The 0-1. There goes the runner. Hammers this one in the air deep to left center. This one's gonna carry. It's out of here. A big blow to the home fans. It's 2-0. Blasted out of the park for the lead, and I am certain the dugout is fired up right now. That was a low 90s fastball, and it wound up in a spot that was entirely too hittable. Pitcher who doesn't have great velo on the fastball has to locate better than that. Nobody out and a runner at first.
Now batting, the first baseman, David Woods.
Try to get him chasing on the changeup.
1 ball, no strikes.
Runner at first, nobody out.
Here we go.
And a base hit. Lead runners around second. Runners at the corners now. Nobody out.
Now batting, designated hitter, Jamie.
And next, the cleanup hitter. Here comes the 1-1. Runner on the move. Ground ball to third base. Fires across the diamond. Out number 1 as a run comes in to score.
The batter.
So with a runner at second and 1 away, Dalton Guthrie, the next to hit. Swings and misses, struck him out. Here's the catcher, Mark Colesbury, and he put quite a swing on the ball in the 4th inning for a 2-run blast, part of why they've got this lead right now. Swing and a miss, and the count 1-2. Runner at second, 2 down. This pitch popped up. The second baseman settles under this one. Swallows it up. That's out number 3. They pick up a run on 2 hits, no errors, 1 runner left on base. On we go to the bottom of the 6th. The Sea Dogs have the lead, 3-0. So 1 gone with the bases loaded here. David Woods getting ready to hit.
Woods.
All right, let's sit on something you like right here. Hey, let's go. Let's put a charge into one right here. Let's go.
This one absolutely clobbered. You can forget it. That's a grand slam. An absolutely titanic shot. Second home run of the series. And they add on. It's 8-0. I think he might have plans after this ball game. He wasted no time bashing that one over the wall. It's always nice to see a team effort come together like this. They set the table for him, and he unloaded the bases with the grand slam. David Woods will hit next. He's already homered in this ball game. In for a strike, and it's 0-1.
Hey, get your pitch, see through. Let's go.
The Sea Dogs up big in this game, and we're in the top of the 8th.
Let's go, kid.
Swing and a drive. Goodbye, home run. A 2-run shot. Did it again. Home run number 2 of the game. It's 13-2. That makes it 3 straight games with a homer for him. I hope he's enjoying this run because it doesn't happen all that often. On 0-2, you cannot allow yourself to get beat as a pitcher. He absolutely made a mistake there. That pitch was too... Woods was outstanding in this one, helping them get the win. A 4-hit performance, including a pair of homers. Huge effort at the dish. I hope he savors this game. Performances like this don't happen every day. So up next, David Woods.
That's
The
it right
first
now.
baseman, David Woods.
Come on, big guy. Stay on him.
skies it out towards left center. Drop step, heads back on it. Tracks it down for the out. Runner tags at second. Moves up 90 feet. Runners at the corners now. One away.
Batting fourth, the designated hitter, Jamie Westbrook.
Come on, big guy. Keep trying. Keep trying.
Now batting, the first baseman, David Woods.
This one is labeled. Goodbye, home run. That'll fire up the dugout. Fourth home run of the series. And they jump out front. It's 2-0. A very efficient homer in this spot. Got a juicy offering on the first pitch and didn't miss. That's a great power-on-power matchup there. Some serious heat on the fastball and a slugging battle. We're back here at the ballpark. Now the third baseman, number 70.
Third baseman.
And he's got really good wheels. One of those skills you really can't teach. Not only does he have excellent speed, but it's the effort that catches your eye. That speed benefits him on the base paths and on defense. Teams always want players who can turn and burn out there. And the 1-1. Lays down a bunt. And safe at first. Great hustle to win the foot race there.
Leading it off, the first baseman, David Woods.
He swings and fouls one off.
Hey, you pitch. Turn the deep. Here you go.
This one lifted right center field. It's heading for the wall, and it is out of here. Circling the bases is second of the night, and we are tied. It's 3-3. So he keeps the hot stretch going by homering in a fourth straight game. He's on some kind of tear. Great swing, loud contact, and a predictable result when you look at the exit velocity and
One time, right here.
at the plate, David Woods. And hold on to your seats, everybody, because he digs in here with a chance at launching his third homer of the ball game. Not a feat you'll get to witness every day. Swing, high fly ball to center field. The center fielder moving under this one. Drops into the glove.
Now batting, the designated hitter, Jamie.
One away and a runner at first.
The first
Next
baseman,
is the switch-hitting first baseman, David Woods.
Woods.
Liner to left. And hauls it in. That's out number 2. And he may be feeling down as he heads back to the dugout, but that's a swing to be proud of. That ball was torched, even if he has nothing to show for it. More swings like that, and he'll be on track for a promotion. Woods certainly wasn't why they took the loss. 2 home runs in the ballgame. Every time up, he was a threat, and he gave them a shot at the win. Impressive showing for sure.
For the fight, 8 runs on 13 hits. 1 error, they left 9 runners on base. Batting
Woods.
the first baseman, David Woods.
No one better. Keep it rolling. Here we go.
Ground ball, right side, and it goes just foul. The Little chopper rolls foul. Hard hit, right side. Takes it to the bag, and that'll do it. End of a half inning. First and second here with nobody out.
The batter, the first baseman, David Woods.
Ripped, but it curls foul.
Hey, come on now.
Tapped at the plate, but it's a foul ball.
Hey, your pitch.
To the right side. Sneaks through, base hit. Headed for the plate. Run comes in from second. It's 2-0. That was a great two-strike approach in that AB. Man, that ball was smoked 107 miles per hour off the bat. Clearly doing something right at the plate. The designated hitter digs in now. 1 run in the inning so far. We're here in the top half of the third. Just misses the inner half.
Keep driving, kid. Keep driving.
And there's ball 4.
Now batting,
And now the right fielder, Dalton Guthrie. That one off the bad part of the bat, just a lazy fly ball. Makes the grab on the run. And that is a big first out.
now batting, catcher, Mark Colson.
1 away, and the bases are loaded here. Stepping in, Mark Colesbury. Swing and a miss. And it's 0-2. Some nasty action on his sinker, and hitters need to force him to come up in the zone if they want to avoid chasing the low stuff. Line drive for a base hit. 1 run comes in. Here's the throw, but it's offline. That's all they needed, just a simple base hit, and he
Leading off, the first baseman, David Woods.
hammer to right. That one has the distance. It's gone.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Sends
4,
it out of
3,
here. The 6th of the series. And they add to their lead. It's 5-zip. That ball was gone as soon as it left the bat. He absolutely smoked it. That's a good job to be aggressive in the box after watching him closely on the mound. Once you've got his timing down, it's a lot easier to give a strong, confident swing. We're back here at the ballpark, all set for the start of this inning. And now the first baseman, David Woods. And there's a fly ball deep to right. Drops for a hit, couldn't run it down. He makes the turn and digs for second base. It's a double, 3-hit ball game. And he's clearly locked in after yet another hit. Really seeing the ball well lately. He's a threat every time he steps into the box. Next up, the designated hitter.
The designated hitter, Jamie Westbrook.
Runner in scoring position, nobody out. Here in the top half of the 7th. In the air to center, pretty deep. The center fielder drifting towards this one. Runner tags at second. And makes it up to third with one away. Runner at third and one gone. Now it's the right fielder, Dalton Guthrie. Swings through that one for a strikeout. Runner at third and two out. And here's the catcher, Mark Colesbury. Swings and misses, struck him out. So no runs here on a base hit, no errors, one left on base. Time to stretch. The Sea Dogs lead it 5-0. One down. Now at the dish, David Woods. He's already homered in this ballgame. Check swing. Did the bat break the plane? Yes, it's a strike. Bashes this one to deep left center. Could be trouble here. That's a double, makes it a 4-hit gain. That pitch was absolutely smoked, but he put a little too much topspin on it to get it out of the yard.
Westbrook.
One out, runner at second base. The designated hitter, the next to hit. Oh, and 2, here's the pitch. On the ground, right side, Huaca Grego. In plenty of time to first. The tag, and that is out number 3, inning over. Woods made some big contributions for them in the win. Collected 4 hits, one of them a home run. Every time up, he was a threat, and that's a big piece of why they got the win. Impressive showing for sure.
Wait a minute, let me get up in it. I ain't really wanna have to kill it, but I guess I gotta kill it. Got me feeling like a villain. I don't really wanna kick it, really. I'ma let you know.
Our line score.
Lines this one hard up the middle and a base hit. Throw into third.
Batting fourth.
That's an absolute shot off the bat at 109 miles per hour. Clearly locked in on that swing. One out and 2 on. And next, the cleanup hitter. Runner on the go. Good plate appearance there, able to take the walk. So with one away, the bases are loaded. And now the right fielder, Dalton Guthrie. That one misses, and it brings home a run. The center fielder getting ready to hit. Full house on the bases with one away. On the ground, 2 ball. There's 1, and that's 2. Smoothly executed there. The second baseman turns the double play. Nice throw to first, and that ends the inning.
Leading it off, the first baseman, David Woods.
And a base hit. Runner on base to start the inning. And he's clearly locked in after yet another hit. Really seeing the ball well lately. He's a threat every time he steps into the box. Next up, the designated hitter. Runner on the go. Pitch misses. Tag, and he's out at first. Couldn't get back to the bag. Runners at first and second, and nobody out.
David Woods.
That one is absolutely pummeled. A dive, and he can't haul it in. Coming to the plate. The run comes in from second. 5-4 now as they take the lead. That ball was scorched, and he came through in a big way for them on that one. Games like this can really boost the perception of a prospect, and we'll see what it does for his profile. And next, the cleanup hitter. Popped up. Huaca Grego drifts towards it. Makes the catch. One gone and runners at second and third. Now it's the right fielder, Dalton Guthrie. On the ground. Tosses to first. It's there for the out. Runner scores from third. The center fielder will hit next. 2 outs and a runner in scoring position. Swing, ground ball out to short. Safe at first as they can't make the play. Couldn't get the out, but what a defensive effort. Covered a ton of ground and then made a strong throw to make the play a little closer. One away, runners at second and third. And the next batter, David Woods. 3 for 3 with 2 singles and a double. Calling for the intentional walk, and that loads up the bases. Force play is now in order.
The batter.
Bases loaded with 1 away. Next up, the designated hitter. Big spot here, both teams showing good offense. A timely hit now would go a long way towards the win. 2-2, here's the pitch. And he hits a ground ball to the right side. Oh, great stop. To second, there's one. To first, not in time. Great effort there. 1 away and a runner at first. And here's the first baseman, David Woods. An impressive showing in a fierce rivalry matchup. And you have to think the manager is pleased with that. Late on that fastball. Pitcher's feeling like he caught a break, and the batter knows he just let a meaty pitch get by. Swing, a drive to right center, and this one's gonna go. Home run.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
A
5,
towering
4,
blast.
3,
7th home run of the series. And they throw a pair on the board. It's a 10-4 ball game. Make it 6 straight games with a homer for him. He's looking like a well-oiled machine at the plate, completely locked in. Not great command on the mound, and with a low 90s fastball, that's not a winning formula. Full marks to the hitter. He recognized the pitch early and belted it out. Woods really excelled in this game, helping lead them to the win. A 4-hit performance, including a home run. Really impressive work at the dish. He gave his teammates a lot of opportunities in this one, and that's really all you can ask him to do. Now, David Woods.
This is you.
Batting third, the first baseman, David Woods.
Hey, see you driving, huh?
And that one fouled off.
Come on, kid, get on for us. Here we go.
0-1, here's the pitch. Smoked on the ground to second. Over to first.
He's out.
2 down. 1 out and the base is empty.
Now batting, the first baseman, David Woods.
On the ground to the right side. And handles that one. Will do it alone. 2 up, 2 down.
Now batting, the designated hitter, Jamie Westbrook.
2 outs, base
Now
is
batting,
empty.
The first baseman,
Come on now, get your
David
Woods, only 18 years old, and he was drafted in the 4th round in 2023. Swing and a line drive, curling foul down the right side. Now, his skills at the plate and in the field allowed him to excel in the amateur ranks. The question is, will that prowess translate to the professional level? That one ripped into right center.
Nice job, you got it up one.
It one-hops off the wall, could be trouble. Woods into second, and it's a 2-bagger. We hear a lot about how the numbers turn against the pitcher the 3rd time through the order, and that might be what's happening here. Looking at the manager, he may have a decision to make. 2 out and a runner in scoring position. And next, the cleanup hitter. Swing and a high fly to left. And that's the end of the inning. 1 runner left on base. Still all tied up, 1-1. With the tying run at the dish.
The batter, the first baseman, David Woods.
Swings and pulls it foul to the right side.
Let's go, kid. One time.
And the
right
tying run's at the plate. Foul ball there. Wouldn't be surprised to see the runner break from first, trying to stay out of the double play. In the air to left center. The left fielder has this one sized up. Got it.
Now batting, designated hitter,
So 2 down.
Now batting.
David
The
Woods
first baseman.
now at the plate.
David.
Strong start to the
Woods.
season, putting up some impressive slugging numbers so far. Now a fly ball to right center. Sizes this one up. And that's the ball game. Kind of an average performance. It was a loss for the team, and he was unremarkable at the plate.